Hello, today we're analyzing AMD stock. AMD stock is currently trading at $172.32 level. The current Relative Strength Index, RSI, for AMD stands at 49.7, which positions the stock in a neutral zone, indicating neither an overbought nor an oversold condition. An RSI reading above 70 typically suggests that a stock might be overbought, while a reading below 30 indicates it may be oversold. With the RSI hovering around 49.7, it suggests that AMD is currently in a balanced state, which could mean that there is potential for price movement in either direction. This neutral stance often implies that traders should look for further indicators or confirmations before making significant trades, as the market could swing either way. When we examine AMD's moving averages, we find the current price of 172.32 is below all the key moving averages, specifically the 5-day at 173.80, the 10-day at $174, and the 20-day at 173.22. This positioning indicates a bearish trend in the short term, as the price has not been able to hold above these averages. The moving averages serve as dynamic support and resistance levels, and the fact that the current price resides below them suggests that sellers are currently in control. If the price were to cross above these moving averages, particularly the 10-day or 20-day, it could signify a shift in momentum and a potential bullish reversal. Conversely, if the price continues to remain below these averages, it could reinforce the bearish sentiment. The MACD indicator shows a MACD line at 0.665 and a signal line at 0.633, which indicates a bullish signal, as the MACD line is above the signal line. This positioning often suggests that there is upward momentum, although the distance between the two lines is relatively narrow. The bullish crossover of the MACD can be a precursor to further price increases. However, the trend needs to be confirmed by other indicators, especially given the neutral RSI reading. Traders should continue to monitor this relationship closely, as any divergence could hint at a weakening trend. Looking at the Bollinger Bands, the upper band is set at 176.92 and the lower band at 169.52. with the current price below the upper band. The width of the bands is indicative of volatility. A narrower band suggests lower volatility, while a wider band indicates increased volatility. Given that the price is currently positioned below the upper band, it suggests that the stock is experiencing normal volatility levels. Traders should watch for potential squeezes, as a narrowing of the bands could precede a significant price movement in either direction. If AMD's price approaches the lower band, it could signify a buying opportunity if momentum shifts. Volume patterns reveal that the current volume stands at 301,341 shares, which is notably below the average volume of 8,126,984. This lower volume suggests diminished market participation, which can sometimes indicate a lack of conviction in the current price movement. When volume is below average during a price decline, it may suggest that the drop is not strongly supported, potentially allowing for a bounce back. Conversely, if the price rises on low volume, it could imply that the upward movement lacks strength and may not be sustainable. Thus, volume analysis is crucial in confirming trends or reversals. Support and resistance levels present crucial data points for traders. AMD currently has a support level at 163.70 and a resistance level at 180.94. The support level at 163.70 appears to be a critical threshold. If the price breaks below this level, it could trigger further selling pressure and deepen the bearish sentiment. On the other hand, the resistance level at 180.94 indicates where selling could intensify, making it a significant target for traders looking for potential sell points. Should AMD successfully break through this resistance, it could open the doors for further bullish activity. The strength of these levels indicates potential reaction zones where traders can set up their strategies. Considering the overall market scenario, a bullish outlook could materialize if AMD manages to clear the resistance at 180.94 with strong volume, potentially supported by positive news or earnings. In this case, traders might target the next psychological levels or previous highs for profit-taking. Risk management is crucial here. Placing stop-loss orders below support levels could help mitigate losses if the market turns against them. Alternatively, in a bearish scenario, if AMD breaks below $163.70, it could trigger further declines, leading traders to reassess their positions. This scenario emphasizes the importance of maintaining discipline and being prepared to exit positions quickly if market conditions change. In conclusion, AMD is currently situated in a complex technical landscape. The neutral RSI, bearish positioning relative to moving averages, and strong support and resistance levels all contribute to a nuanced trading environment. Traders should remain vigilant, keeping an eye on volume trends, MACD signals, and Bollinger Band formations to navigate potential price movements. Given the current indicators, both bullish and bearish scenarios are plausible, necessitating carefully considered strategies and risk management practices to optimize trading outcomes. By staying informed and responsive to market signals, traders can better position themselves to take advantage of potential opportunities within AMD stock. This analysis is for informational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice. For more content, please like and subscribe to our channel.